Welcome to the pre-market report of 14/6/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,782. Top CPR is in 15,785 and bottom CPR is in 15,778. R1 placed in 15,879. R2 placed in 15,984. R3 placed in 16,081. S1 placed in 15,677 and S2 placed in 15,579 and S3 placed in 15,475. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 33,463. Top CPR is in 33,492. Bottom CPR is in 33,435. R1 placed in 33,716. R2 placed in 34,027 and R3 placed in 34,280. Today the S1 placed in 33,153 and S2 placed in 32,900. S3 placed in 32,589. Let us check the global market first. Yesterday all the US market closes firmly in red, especially Nasdaq was down by 4.68%. It indicates heavy selling pressure in our IT stock, so our market going to be trend towards down direction today. Yesterday, all the European market was also closes firmly in red. It is also indicating our market going to be trend towards down direction. Right now, all the Asian market trading firmly in red, especially Australian index was down by 4.92% and Hong Kong was down by 1.26%. Most of the time, our market follows Hong Kong market. As of now, our market has potential to go up to 1.33% according to Hong Kong market. Right now, all the US future trading slightly positive. It gives slight positive direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 15,659. Our previous day close was 15,774. It indicates more than 100 points gap down. Right now, Nifty future trading around 15,669. Our previous day close was 15,774. It indicates more than 100 points gap down. As well as SGS Nifty also trading around 15,661. It is also indicating our market going to open more than 100 points gap down. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 4,164 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 2,814 crores. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now, 16,000 call option has highest open interest in nearby. It has 1,19,844 contract in open condition. As I told yesterday, people write 16,000 call option heavily, so it going to be act as a good resistance for upcoming week. As well as 15,500 put option has 92,619 contract in open condition, so it going to be act as a good support. Option writers believe market going to be expire between 15,500 to 16,000 by this week. The foreign institutional investor has 12% long in index future as well as 88% short in index future. It was record high. They never started like this, so the market going to be trend towards down direction for upcoming days. The domestic institutional investor has 26% short in 26% long in index future as well as 74% short in index future. They are also shorting the market, but the percentage was little higher. But FA's short position has 88%. It indicates our market going to be trend towards down direction heavily. The overall view is yesterday US market closes in red and European market was also closes in red. Right now all the Asian market trading in red. US future are slightly positive. European future is slightly negative. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open more than 100 points gap down. FA is in sell side and DA is in buy side. As of now, option writers believe market won't break 16,000 in upside as well as 15,500 in downside. FAS has 12% long position and 88% short position. It indicates they are going to short the market heavily. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, previous day high in dotted green. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red, previous day low in dotted red. The blue lines are turning point which market took support resistance earlier. As of now, Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open somewhere around 15,690. This is just about to S1 as well as previous day low. Don't take any position initially because market may take support at S1 as well as previous day low. So just wait market to face resistance at center pivot. Whenever market approaches CPR and face resistance and form a bearish candle or bearish pin bar, you can enter at this candle close. That means you can buy put option and keep the stop loss just above the candle. You can book our profit at previous day low or you can trail up to S2. I hope market will open in gap down and bounce back, face resistance at center pivot and came down. This is our final conclusion. Beyond expectation, if market opens flat, just wait to market to break CPR with firm red candle. Whenever market broke CPR with firm red candle, you can enter this candle close. You can book your profit at previous day low. Keep the stop loss just above the candle. You can buy nearby put option. That means 15,700 put option here. Book your profit at previous day low or S1. I am repeating. If beyond expectation, if market opens flat condition, just wait market to break CPR with firm red candle. Whenever market broke CPR with firm red candle, you can enter at this candle close. That means you can buy nearby put option. 15,700 put option. Keep the stop loss just above the candle. Book your profit at previous day low. This is our final conclusion. I hope market going to open in gap down. If beyond expectation market open in flat condition, just wait market to break CPR and for that you can buy nearby put option. Book your profit at previous day low. Moreover, today high was the gap border, so it going to be act as a good resistance. Whenever market approaches 15,888, that means previous day high as well as previous day open, it definitely faced resistance and came down. So be prepared and plan according to the opening. If market opens slight gap up, it may change in the pre-market also. Just wait market to approach the gap border. Whenever it approaches the gap border, it definitely faces resistance. After seeing the bearish candle, you can enter at this candle close. That means you can buy nearby put option. That means 15,800 put option. Book your profit at the center pivot or you can trail up to previous day low. This is our final conclusion.